Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Molotov cocktails in Red Dead Redemption 2. To begin, you will need to acquire the Molotov recipe. This essential blueprint typically unlocks after progressing through certain story missions, particularly those involving the gang's more explosive endeavors. Once unlocked, the recipe will appear in your crafting menu, allowing you to combine the necessary components. Make sure you have completed the pouring forth oil mission, as this is often when the recipe becomes available. Now let's gather the ingredients. For each Molotov cocktail you wish to craft, you will need 3 specific items. First, 1 bottle of moonshine, which can be purchased from fences or found in various locations. Second, 1 unit of animal fat, obtained by skinning larger animals like bears or boars. Finally, 1 rag, frequently looted from defeated enemies or found in abandoned buildings. Always keep an eye out for these components during your travels. With your ingredients in hand, it's time to craft. Open your item wheel by holding down the left bumper on your controller. Then, navigate to the crafting tab, usually found by pressing the right bumper. Scroll through the available recipes until you locate the Molotov cocktail. Once selected, simply hold down the craft button, typically X on PlayStation or on Xbox, to assemble your fiery weapon. You can craft multiple at once if you have enough materials. Now that you have your Molotovs, let's discuss deployment. Equip them from your weapon wheel, just like any other throwable item. Aim carefully, considering the trajectory, and release to unleash a fiery explosion. These devices are incredibly effective for crowd control, especially against groups of enemies or when clearing out fortified positions. They can also be used strategically to block enemy pathways or flush foes out of cover. Practice your aim for maximum impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.